Hello, welcome awesome people. My name is Galaxy and today I'm gonna teach you some basic of rendering. Let's get started. I'll open Kdenlive. Then as usual I'm gonna import some files. So I'm just gonna drag it over here on the track. I'm gonna bring out other track as well. I'm gonna drag this as well. Then I'm gonna show something. I'm gonna talk about the priority of the Kdenlive. You have to play it. Then you can see over here the video has just overlap. The top video will always get priority and render, and the below video underneath the video will get less priority. So if I copy this, then I'm gonna paste it over here and I'm gonna put a little bit cap. Then when I play, this top video will render, and from the gap the lower video, and so on. Let's see. Okay, so sometimes you need to show the both of the video on the top of it. Then you can transform the video. It will be another next topic will be discussed on the future video, and for now this will be enough. Get ready for the rendering. I'll just stream this video, then I'll delete. Okay, so it will be easy for rendering. Now go to the project and select render. You can use the shortcut as well. Then click on render and it will provide you the option render project job queue, and you can give your output file name, example, and then you can also put your file in the folder of your choice. Just click on this, and to save your video on the format, this is usually for the YouTube content. I usually choose this, and for other format you can do so as well. And for the specific audio only rendering, you just go over here and choose the format you like, maybe MP3 wave. And for my YouTube video I always select this one, MP4S264 AAC. And below over here is the full project and the selected zone. If you select the full project, it will render from 0 to the end of your video. And if you select the selected zone, you can see here is the blue button. You can expand it, and you can expand it over here, and it will just render your selected zone. And for the full project rendering, you just click on it and you just click on the render to file. It will start rendering. If you have the file name already exist, you could override it and it will just go to another tab of the job queue and it will just show you the progress. I'm just gonna cancel it now. So this is all about rendering your video. It's just the basic. If you find this video useful, then don't forget to like and subscribe my channel so I could make the more video like this. See you on the next video. Bye bye. Thank you.